Hello world of the internet, my name is Trey Kokas. I'm a product specialist here at locally owned and operated Heyward Allen Toyota, and I just took in this beautiful 2017 Camry SE. It is pre-owned certified, meaning it's gone through a 160-point inspection and has a 7-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Now, as this vehicle has under 20,000 miles, you actually have a powertrain warranty for over 80,000 miles, which is absolutely amazing. Previous owner obviously took great care of this vehicle, as we're not seeing any major dents or scratches on the outside. Same on the inside, with an electric front seat with lumbar support. Feels really nice. Of course, we have our Bluetooth connections, so where you can receive phone calls, text messages will appear on that center screen, and of course play your music or podcasts. You also have voice commands, so you can make phone calls simply by hitting the button on the steering wheel, making it very easy to control. Touchscreen in the center, and that's also where your backup camera will appear there, which makes it very easy to get in and out of parking places. The back, just like the front, very spacious, and in addition, no surprises back there with any tears or stains or anything like that. Again, great condition there. Check out the back cargo space. Got to get a little bit lower for you to see all the way in. And the seats do fold down in a 60-40 split. And of course the backup camera again. Hey, this is an absolutely amazing vehicle. A great deal there. I'm not expecting it to stay on our lot for very long. So please reach out to me if you're interested. My phone number is 770-533-2897. And I look forward to showing this to you. Take care.